now.
Now, my dear student, today we are going to learn that is called the good sentence. I know that you are making good sentence. All of you know a lot of sentence construction. Even if some of the students are coming and they are speaking well. Even if you are translating English into Hindi or Hindu into English, it is very easy. But whenever you like to be a good speaker, that you should learn from every angles. It is not that a particular things you will learn. That means you will know about the poetry, the poetical words, even if a lot of words, that will be gathered or deposited in your mind as you are depositing the money in the bank. Then it is coming out whenever you are going. Like this, you should deposit a lot of things. Here is this, I have written only one sentence, two sentences. Supposing, मान लो, supposing plus clause plus comma. You have to give the comma here. Comma plus clause. देखो, supposing you own a lottery. मान लो कि अगर तुम लॉटरी पा गई, मान लो तुम जीत गई, पास्ट में विन का पास्ट टेंस ओन, प्ले का प्लेड, किल का किल्ड, सिंग का शैंग. लाइक दिस, मान लो कि तुम लॉटरी जीत गई, व्हाट वुड यू डू, क्या करोगी. अगर तुम लॉटरी जीत गई, मान लो तुम लॉटरी जीत गई, इट इज द कंडीशनल है. मानो अगर तुम जीत गई तो क्या करोगी. I will buy a good house. I will go to the mall to buy something. तुम लोग को हम लोग मॉल जाएंगे. We will buy some dress. हम लोग पहले ड्रेस खरीदेंगे. ओके, नहीं मैं अपना गहना खरीद लूंगी. एक करोड़ रुपया जब मिल जाएगा. Now here is this. Suppose man became immortal. अगर इंसान हो जाएगा, it is a verb to immortal हो जाएगा. लाफानी अमर हो जाएगा. What would happen to फूड प्रॉब्लम. तो फूड प्रॉब्लम का क्या समाधान होगा. मान लो आदमी कोई नहीं मरेंगे, नो वन विल डाई, व्हाट विल हैपन, क्या होगा. यहां पर देखो व्हाट वुड हैपन, यहां नहीं कर सकते व्हाट विल हैपन बिकॉज इट इज इन द पास्ट टेंस. हियर इज द कैन, सो दैट यू कैन नॉट चेंज इट इनटू फ्यूचर इंडिफिनिट. आप फ्यूचर इंडिफिनिट नहीं कर सकते. वुड क्या होगा पॉपुलेशन का. अगर हम लोग कोई नहीं मरेंगे, सब अमर हो जाएंगे, तो पॉपुलेशन खिदीपुर में 2 महीने के बाद में सब क्या हो जाएगा, पूरा ब्लास्ट हो जाएगा. डू अंडरस्टैंड. ओनली दिस वन सेंटेंस. नाउ आई विल गिव यू सम सेंटेंस, देन यू राइट डाउन वेरी क्विकली एंड मेक द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस. अगेन 2 girls will come here, they will explain it. You write down. You will not come. Why not? You will not come. Yeah, you will come. You are not so strong to come here. Okay, write down. Likho. Now remember here only one thing. Here I have given the sentence. Remember one thing. If the principal clause is the verb to past tense, the subordinate clause must be in the past tense. Here if there is the present tense, अगर इसमें present tense है, तो ये future में होगा. ये future में होगा. All these conditional sentence I have given you. यानी कि अगर ऐसा हुआ, मान लो कि ये बात होगा. Suppose you will say in Urdu, this girl will turn into English. Now you come here. Now look at the first. You look at here. Now first sentence you say.
मान लीजिए कि बारिश हो तो आप क्या करेंगे.
Suppose it rains. What will you do?
मान लो कि तुम पीएम बन जाओ तो तुम क्या करोगे.
Suppose you become a PM. What will you do?
Very fine. Very fine.
मान लो कि वालिद मेरी कामयाबी को देखे तो क्या कहेंगे.
Suppose father sees my success. What will he say?
मान लीजिए मैं आपकी शर्त मान लूं तो आप क्या कहेंगे.
Suppose I accept your conditions. What will you say?
मान लीजिए ट्रेन नहीं आई तो क्या होगा.
Supposing the train does not come, what will happen?
मान लो कि तुम पास करो तो तुम क्या करोगे?
Very fine.
Supposing you pass, what will you do?
Very fine. Okay.
मान लो कि तुम इलेक्शन जीतो तो तुम क्या करोगे?
Supposing you win the election, what will you do?
Very fine.
मान लीजिए कि चूहा बिल्ली हो जाए तो क्या होगा?
Supposing a rat turns to a cat, what will happen?
Very fine.
मान लो कि उस्ताद क्लास में ना हो तो तुम क्या करोगे?
Supposing teacher is not in the class, what will you do?
Very fine. Very fine.
मान लो कि तुम चिड़िया बन जाओ तो तुम क्या करोगे?
Supposing you become a bird, what will you do?
It is finished?
Yes.
Now, remember, these two girls already have made a lot of sentence very fantastic way. Remember one thing, it is not so hard. If you will make the practice, whenever you are coming fast, you should ask her, she will reply, like this you will grow. It is not that, why you look at this camera कभी कभी धीमा क्यों पड़ जाता है? What happened to the camera?
I don't know.
कभी कभी एकदम ब्लैक हो जाता है, देखो ना ब्लैक हो गया. Now here is this. It is the very important things that you should remember, and you make the practice. Then you can improve in English spoken. Thanks a lot. You say something to the audience?
Please like, share and subscribe to Brain Master Spoken English.
Fine.